May problem ka bang parang wala ng solusyon? May situation ka bang matagal mo nang pinagpipray pero parang walang nangyayari? Pakiramdam mo ba? Minsan na masyado nang malaki ang hinaharap mong pagsubok? Yan ang aming devotion kanina sa Magkape. Nasa Joshua chapter 6 na po kami at nakita namin doon na ang Jericho was seemingly impossible obstacle. Mataas ang pader, matibay ang depensa, at humanly speaking, walang paraan para manalo ang Israel. But God gave them a different strategy. Hindi sila umasa sa kanilang lakas o military power. Instead, they trusted God's word and obeyed His instructions. At nang sumunod sila sa Diyos, the walls came down. Ganito rin ang tinuturo ng New Testament. Sa 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 7, basahin ko po sa inyo, "For we walk by faith, not by sight." The keyword doon ay faith. Sa Greek ito ay pistis, meaning trust, confidence, or reliance upon God. Ang biblical faith is not believing that life will be easy. Faith is trusting God kahit hindi mo ito nakikita ang results. Faith is obeying God's word even when His ways don't seem to make sense. Minsan, ang ating Jericho ay family problems, financial struggles, health concern, or unanswered prayer. And just like Israel, we can be tempted to focus on the wall instead of focusing on God. Pero ang Joshua chapter 6 reminds us that when God's people walk by faith and obey His word, God can do what they cannot do on their own. The wall was big, pero mas dakila ang Diyos. The obstacle was real, pero mas makapangyarihan ang Panginoon. Mahal ka ng ating pong Panginoon. Hindi ka niya iiwan sa gitna ng iyong pagsubok. Jesus knows exactly what you're facing at siya ay kumikilos kahit hindi mo pa nakikita. The same God who brought down the walls of Jericho is still working in your life today. Your Jericho is bigger than your God. Kung may kakilala kang nagtatanong, paano nga ba talaga maligtas? Meron po akong link diyan sa description. I-copy mo yon at isend sa kanya. Again, ako si Pastor Wes na laging nagsasabing, be an inspiration at solution po. Ingat po kayo. God bless everyone. Bye.